A door is much smaller compared to the house. A lock is much smaller compared to the door. And a key is the smallest of all. But a key can open entire house. Thus a small, thoughtful solution can solve major problems. A person asked Dr. Kalam, "Sir, what is the most easy and most difficult thing in life?" He replied, "Mistakes. Easy to judge when others do it. Difficult to realize when we do it." One day you will look back and realize that you worried too much about things that don't really matter. Confidence is better than perfection because perfection means doing the best, but confidence means knowing how to handle the worst. Being born as women doesn't mean that you are weak. It means that you are stronger than others. A stereotype may be negative or positive, but even positive stereotypes present two problems. They are glitches and they present a human being as far more simple and uniform than any human being actually is. The cost of discipline is always less than the price of regret. So, self-discipline is the biggest investment for success in life. Stereotypes happen. I try not to embrace them or avoid them. Stereotypes lose their power when the world is found to be more complex than the stereotype would suggest. When we learn that individuals do not fit the group stereotype, then it begins to fall apart. Empty pocket teaches you a million things in life, but full pocket spoils you in a million ways. Don't close the book when bad things happen in your life. Just turn the page and begin a new chapter. What's done is done. What's gone is gone. One of the best life's lessons is learning how to let go and move on. It's okay to look back at your memories, but never let the past stop you from moving forward. Little adjustment is always better than a lengthy argument, and a meaningful silence is always better than meaningless words. Life is nothing when we get everything, but life is everything when we miss something. Value of people is realized in their absence only. Beautiful line. Tell my mistakes to me, not to others, because these are to be corrected by me, not by them. Without positive attitude, success is called luck. With positive attitude, success is called achievement. Beauty is not validity, behavior is lifetime validity. We come with nothing, we go with nothing, but one great thing we can achieve in our beautiful life is a little remembrance in someone's mind and a small place in someone's heart. Every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. Sometimes you will never know the true value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Lovely thing to learn from water. Adjust yourself in every situation and in any shape. But most importantly, find your own way to flow. One who wins without problems, it is just victory. But one who wins with lots of troubles, that is history. Never forget 3 types of people in your life: who helped you in a difficult time, who left you in a difficult time, who put you in a difficult time. Confidence doesn't come when you have all the answers, but it comes when you are ready to face all the questions. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Heart is not a basket for keeping tension and sadness. It is a golden box for keeping roses of happiness and sweet memories. Suffering is the essence of success. Never stop trying. Never stop believing. Never give up. Your day will come. Life is hard but not impossible. Being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. Social psychology is especially interested in the effect which the social group has in the determination of the experience and conduct of the individual member. Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like fog. Everything can be taken from a man, but the last of the human freedoms to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances. I believe that every human mind feels pleasure in doing good to another. The deepest sin of the human mind is to believe things without evidence. Anything that is conceivable in the human mind is possible. The most beautiful things in the universe are inside the human mind. What I enjoy doing is challenging stereotypes of what people believe a Tory must be. You don't have to say every Tory is in it for themselves. It's pathetic caricaturing that has no place in the 21st century. And if we can challenge that stereotype, then great. Stereotypes lose their power when the world is found to be more complex than the stereotype would suggest. When we learn that individuals don't fit the group stereotype, then it begins to fall apart. We all use stereotypes all the time without knowing it. We have met the enemy of equality, and the enemy is us. The single story creates stereotypes, and the problem with stereotypes is not that they are untrue, but that they are incomplete. They make one story become the only story. Stereotypes do exist, but we have to walk through them. The whole idea of a stereotype is to simplify instead of going through the problem of all this great diversity. That it's this or maybe that. You have just one large statement. It is this. Stereotypes, they are sensual, cultural weapons. That's the way that we attack people. At an artistic level, stereotypes are terrible writing. The most beautiful things can only be created by the most free minds. If you want to make a human being into a monster, deny them at the cultural level any reflection of themselves. Champions have to have the skill and the will, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Life is about accepting the challenges along the way, choosing to keep moving forward and savoring the journey. We cannot always change what has happened to us, but we can change how we react and how we live in the future. Living with no regrets is living successfully. The past will never change, but you can change the future by changing your actions today. If you can't change the situation, change your attitude towards it. If you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change your attitude. It doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. You can't spell challenge without change. If you are going to rise to the challenge, you have to be prepared to change. Accept what is let go, what was believe in what will be. Don't let later become never. Well done is better than well said. What we insistently desire over time is what we become. What we need is not the will to believe, but the wish to find out. What we need is not the will to believe, but the wish to find out. We know we are up against the wall. We know how difficult a challenge it is being in the minority. We never know what we are talking about. We all think we are right, or we should not believe as we do. Sometimes human places create inhuman monsters. The greatness of humanity is not in being human, but in being human. Lest we forget, it is easy to be human, very hard to be human. Whereas it is difficult for everything to work out easily, a man cannot even afford to be a human. Every human activity, good or bad, except mathematics, must come to an end. In the calculus of good deeds, you have the most to gain. Be careful not to do your good deeds when there is no one watching you. The pain is the outcome of our bad deeds. Forget bad deeds, even the good we do are full of mistakes. When you start utilizing your third eye to seek truth, you will then learn to see that the divine is within you. When your mind is clear and your third eye is open, you can see and know things that are taking place thousands of miles away from you. Close the eyes and focus on the third eye, the heart chakra or the navel center. It is a good idea to alternate them. The power chakra is the navel center. The center of balance is the heart chakra. It is the center of our being. The third eye is the center of wisdom, the Agni chakra. This third eye is the link connecting humans with the spiritual world, or to be more correct, with the higher spiritual nature of themselves. When Kundalini reaches this point, divine consciousness is attained. In the land of the blind, the third-eyed man is king. Have a wonderful sense of humor, particularly about yourself and your own situation. Yet don't simply laugh, work to change and improve things, even though at times it seems impossible. Don't sacrifice your beauty just for compliments and a few Instagram likes, because on the day of judgment, nobody will even look at you twice. Be certain that you don't die without having done something wonderful for humanity. An individual has not started living until he can rise above the narrow confines of his individualistic concerns to the broader concerns of all humanity. Connect deeply with others. Our humanity is the one thing that we all have in common. All of our humanity is dependent upon recognizing the humanity in others. The sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. When you do something beautiful and nobody notices, don't be sad, for the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle, and yet most of the audience still sleeps. By being yourself, you put something wonderful in the world that was not there before. Hey you, stop getting sad over small things. Stop getting emotional over things you can't control. It's time for you to be happy again. You deserve happiness. Life has a way of testing a person's will, either by having nothing happen at all or by having everything happen at once. I thought about quitting, but then I noticed who was watching. Better to live 1 year as a lion than 100 as a sheep. There is always a wild side to an innocent face. By being yourself, you put something wonderful in the world that was not there before. If you enter this world knowing you are loved and you leave this world knowing the same, then everything that happens in between can be dealt with. You enter a completely new world where things aren't at all what you are used to. Overthinking will destroy your mood. Breathe and let it go. Domestic abuse, trauma bonding, a psychological response that happens when a victim develops an unhealthy attachment to their abuser. Humans want to form bonds with others, whether that be for love, friendship, support, or survival. However, sometimes we bond with people who physically or emotionally abuse us. We may not always be aware that this behavior isn't normal in a healthy relationship. If we are dependent on this person, emotional support, financial support, etc., then a trauma bond can occur. This trauma bond can go through cycles of abuse, remorse, and making up. There are good and bad times with the abuser, which can cause confusion. Seeing the abuser feel remorseful for their actions may make you feel sympathetic. Sometimes you, as the victim, may feel guilt. This reinforces the trauma bond. The victim feels love for the abuser. However, even if the abuser promises to be better, he or she will always harm again. The cycle of abuse repeats and will become more violent over time. Trauma bonding, a cycle of physical or emotional abuse that creates a strong attachment between an abused person and their abuser, reinforced by periods of love and affection and then periods of devaluation and emotional abuse. Signs of trauma bonds: incessant obsessive focus on another person with fear of abandonment, lack of boundaries, space plus clear autonomy, emotionally addictive cycles of being abandoned, rejected plus then chosen again, fear of the person's reaction that creates secrecy plus hiding behaviors, intense focus on sexual connection over authentic connection plus communication, denying or hiding harmful behavior that might be alarming to those around you, a strong desire to be comforted by the person who's causing severe emotional harm, feeling of chronic self-doubt that you might be going crazy plus denying of your own reality. Excellence happens not by accident, it is a process. In life, no one will remember how you looked, walked, talked, or what you did. Everyone just remembers you by the way you made them feel when they were with you. If we want to maintain true relation with someone, always believe in what we know about them, not in what we heard about them. I am not a handsome guy, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help. Beauty is in heart, not in face. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend is equal to a library. If we work with determination, we can achieve anything. One day you will look back and realize that you worry too much about things that don't really matter. You were born with wings, don't crawl, learn to use them to fly and fly. What is a trauma bond? This becomes what is referred to as a relationship of captivity, where one partner has no sense of self and no life outside of what the other controls. And it's hard for her to leave that situation because his or her whole definition of self depends on the pathological bond in the relationship. This is a relationship that's high risk for repeated violence and inappropriate assertion of power. What is trauma bonding? A trauma bond is an attachment between two people, one of whom carries more power in some kind of way over the other. There are positive reinforcements after periods of emotional, physical, and or mental abuse, thus leading to trauma bonding. This becomes a cycle as each time the abuse is perpetrated, the perpetrator shows remorse and makes attempts to repair the relationship. How to break free from trauma bonding? When trying to break free from a trauma bond or abusive situation, it is ideal to have immediate access to a support system or direct phone support via a reputable hotline to help manage difficult and confusing moments. Making a plan with your support system to live quietly or conflict free while your abuser is away may help you get out of the door and stay as safe as possible, as the act of living is statistically the most dangerous point in abusive relationship. How to break a trauma bond. Find resources around you. Communicate your needs clearly and assertively. Disengage and retract from the situation. Face your feelings. Validate yourself. How to break a trauma bond. Talk to a professional. Keep a journal. Take time to grieve what you lost. Put your energy into a passion project. Trauma bonding warning signs. Becomes very affectionate very quickly, declaring they have never felt like this soon after meeting, wanting to spend every moment with you. Grand gestures such as proposing, getting a tattoo, wanting to move in. Jealousy and suspicion veiled as caring deeply. Zero boundaries, wanting the whole world to know you are together. Trauma bonding can make you terrified of losing your abuser. Just keep in mind that you will also be losing the gaslighting, the sleepless nights, the knots in your stomach while they were ignoring you, the feeling of being blamed, and the stress of holding on to something that always felt like it was slipping away. Trauma bonding. Signs you are trauma bonded, constant breaking up and getting back together, feeling like you have been through so much bad together that you can't just throw the relationship away, always promising that things will change and they never do, feeling like you will die if you aren't together, feeling completely in love and then hating the other person. The narcissistic abuse cycle. Idealize. I'd die for you. Devalue. It was just a joke. Lighten up. Discard. I don't deal with your issues. Cycle of abuse. Phase 1. Tension builds. Victim becomes fearful, tries anything to placate the abuser. Phase 2. The famine. The incident. Verbal, emotional, physical abuse, anger, blaming, threats, ragging, humiliation, intimidation. Phase 3. Wooing stage, reconciliation, abuser does anything and everything to win victim back. Phase 4. The calm, incident is forgotten, abuser pretends to be a good boy or girl for a while. There is no time stamp on trauma. There isn't a formula that you can insert yourself into to get from horror to healed. Be patient. Take up space. Let your journey be the balm. Trauma permanently changes us. This is the big, scary truth about trauma. There is no such thing as getting over it. The 5 stages of grief model marks universal stages in learning to accept loss. But the reality is in fact much bigger. A major life disruption leaves a new normal in its wake. There is no back to the old me. You are different now, full stop. This is not a wholly negative thing. Healing from trauma can also mean finding new strength and joy. The goal of healing is not a preparing over of changes in an effort to preserve or present things as normal. It is to acknowledge and wear your new life, words, wisdom and all with courage. Shame says, my trauma makes me different than others. Healing says, seeing yourself as different because of your trauma is a self-imposed punishment for something that was not your fault. Instead of reenacting your shame, focus on your strength. A bad attitude can literally block love, blessings, and destiny from finding you. Don't be the reason you don't succeed. It would be too easy to say that I feel invisible. Instead, I feel painfully visible and entirely ignored. If someone tries to make you feel invisible, the best thing to do is disappear. To have someone understand your mind is a different kind of intimacy. Such a disappointment when you defend someone for so long thinking they are different and they turn out to be just like what everyone said. Sometimes we need someone to simply be there, not to fix anything or to do anything particular, but just to let us feel that we are cared for and supported. It's okay to enjoy someone's presence without having a label on what you two are. Let everything fall in place how it's supposed to. Don't force someone to remember you all the time. Just stay silent and let them realize how will they be without you in their life. Ignorance makes you lose the self-potential. Even the strongest feelings expire when ignored and taken for granted. Never beg someone to be in your life. If you text, call, visit and still get ignored, walk away. It's called self-respect. I really wish that I could ignore the fact that you are ignoring me. They ignore you now but need you later on. It hurts when you are being ignored by the person whose attention is the only thing you want in the world. Please don't ignore her when she gives you her undivided attention. While you are ignoring her, another guy is giving her attention, and while you are giving her problems, another guy is listening. Just remember, when you are ignoring her, you are teaching her to live without you. Your success will be determined by your own confidence and fortitude. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. If you are insecure, guess what? The rest of the world is too. Don't overestimate the competition and underestimate yourself. You are better than you think. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. To love yourself right now just as you are is to give yourself heaven. Don't wait until you die. If you wait, you die now. If you love, you leave now. Don't be scared to say I love you to yourself. Stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself and say to yourself as loudly as you can, I love you. I respect you for what you have faced in life, and I love you for what you have become. Don't let your happiness depend on anyone. Self-love is a must. To fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness. Love yourself first and everything else falls into line. Beauty is the illumination of your soul. To be beautiful means to be yourself. You don't need to be accepted by others. You need to accept yourself. Life is like a notebook. 2 pages are already written. First page is birth and last page is death. Center pages are empty, so fill them with smile and love. Life is very similar to a boxing ring. Defeat is not declared. When you fall down, it is declared when you refuse to rise up. Accept your past without regret. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. Stand up for what you believe in, even if it means standing alone. Make your next move your best move. Life is very complicated. Don't try to find answers, because when you find answers, life changes the questions. Mistake increases your experience, and experience decreases your mistakes. If you learn from your mistakes, then others learn from your success. Heavy rains remind us of challenges in life. Never ask for a lighter rain, just pray for a better umbrella. That is attitude. Good behavior doesn't have any monetary value, but it has the power to purchase million hearts. Smile is the electricity and life is a battery. Whenever you smile, the battery gets charged and a beautiful day is activated. So keep smiling. Ego is the only requirement to destroy any relationship. So be a bigger person, skip the E and let it go. You were born with wings, don't crawl, learn to use them to fly and fly. Insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Stay away from negative people, they have a problem for every solution. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Peace cannot be kept by force, it can only be achieved by understanding. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद